Garage door repairs. Are you having problems with your garage doors? Have you meant to call someone for weeks because your doors are noisy or something doesn't seem right? When your garage door malfunctions and your car gets stuck, the consequences can be more than just a broken door. That's why we offer a same-day emergency response service to get you unstuck fast. Whether it's the cables, springs, or rollers that have broken, the tracks are misaligned or rusted, we'll get your garage doors and your life running smoothly again in no time. Our garage door technicians are trained to service and repair all major brands, and we can supply and fit new sections, panels, and complete doors where necessary at an affordable price. Don't wait until your doors get stuck. If something doesn't seem right now, contact us for a free service and repair quote for your garage doors today.